did y'all decide to do besides the one that I marked? Do y'all want to do one and then let's go through it and see?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so I have a whole lot of fractions here. What am I looking for? What's my question asking me?
How many sugar cookies did Trevor bake?
All right, so we're looking for sugar cookies. So what do I know about sugar cookies? Carson, what we got?
1/2 of the cookie.
What do I know about sugar cookies?
That's what sugar is.
Okay. Anybody find the word sugar cookies other than our question?
No.
Right above it. Uh-huh.
No.
So what does it say?
300.
The remaining. So what does that mean? If I have the remaining.
The ones that are like left.
The ones that are left. So what am I going to have to do to solve this if I'm looking for the ones that are left? As we go, totally crickets. So if I was to bring in cookies, and I gave every person in here 2 cookies, but I baked 24. Hold on, let's say, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Let's say I baked 36. There's 12 of y'all in here. Each of you gets 2. How would I figure out how many are left? What would I do? I'd subtract, right? After I do what?
No, times.
After I multiply by how many there was, right? That's the same thing you're doing here. The only difference is instead of dividing it, we have fractions. And remember with fractions, I multiply by the top and divide by the bottom. So I'm even going to make y'all write this out. Multiply by top, divide by bottom. Reason why I'm having y'all write this out is because 1, it actually sinks it a lot faster into your brain. 2, hopefully it'll help y'all remember this. So, I have 360. 360 times 1 is 360. What's 360 divided by 2? Guess what? We could, well, let's check you. So we can subtract from 3 one time. Then we can subtract from 16 8 times. Make sure you drop down that last 0. And I cannot subtract 2 from 0. Are y'all good with that? We're going to do the same thing here. So that means this set of cookies right here has 180. So I'm going to put that off to the side. Now I'm going to do the same thing with 360 times 2. 0, 12, 7. So I have 720. Now I'm going to show y'all a trick. You ready? See how they both end in 0? That means if I divide both of these by 10, I just cross off the zeros, which gives me 72. How are we doing so far? Y'all okay so far? Now we're going to do the 360 times 1. Because remember, I'm multiplying by the tops, dividing by the bottoms. So what's 360 times 1? And guess what? This time we're dividing it by 4. Can I count by 4s to get to 36?
Yes.
4 times what equals 36?
16. 8.
What'd you say over there?
8.
9. Well, 4 times 10 would be 40. That's too much, so it's obviously got to be less than 10. Now I'm going to drop down that 0 and make sure I put it up there.
Oh, I put the wrong number. That's why I got confused.
That would make sense. All right, so now we're going to add these 3 numbers together. Please notice I'm only adding 2 at a time. Why? Because that makes more sense for me and I don't get confused. If you have to count on your fingers, please do so. Like if you have to go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, please do so. Next year you guys get a calculator. If you need to count on your fingers to be successful, count on your fingers. You will not upset me at all. All right, 14. So right now I have 342. According to our discussion earlier, we're going to subtract. The STAR test, guys, and I'm going to tell you any major test, they will usually give you the answer you will add up to. That does not answer your question, so make sure you're answering your question. Okay, I cannot take from 2 from 0, so I'm going to borrow from the 6 to give it a 10. I do not have to borrow from my 3. 5 is bigger than 4. So I have 18, and 18 is my answer. All right, any questions on this? Are we good? Did y'all see which one y'all want to do next? 3, 4? Seeing 4? Give me a second. I'm going to actually look at something real quick. All right, we're back. I'm looking at your day 13 assignment to see if there is, or lesson, sorry, to see if there is a division problem in there. All right, since we did do one that has multiply and subtract, I'm going to have y'all do this one. Oh, wow. All righty. Probably a good thing I did this one. All right, so usually when you get these kinds of problems, you will have a lovely conversion chart. So a math chart. I'm typing as I did this. Reference sheet. Images. All right. I don't want Head C. Open image, new tab. Cool. No, that's not it. We're maybe doing another one. Because, there it is. Found it. Open image and new tab. Alrighty. Oh, wow. Yeah, I'm not going to make y'all do this one. There's nothing like this on your test, so I'm not going to make y'all do that one. All right, y'all said number 3. So go ahead and cross this one off, just because there's nothing like this on your test.
No, thank you.
There will eventually be, but for this test, there's not. So, which one do y'all want to see? Lana or Maggie? I heard Lana. All right, what's your question asking?
How many more yards of fabric is there?
Okay. How many more? So what am I doing? I got to subtract. How many of y'all like subtracting with fractions?
No.
Yeah, me either. So we're going to go ahead and put this as a decimal real quick. All right. What do I do? Okay, I could subtract how many times? Twice? How many of y'all like subtracting? Yeah, I don't either. So why don't we just subtract once? So how do we only subtract once? Add them. What do I line up? My digits or my decimals? Decimals. I'm adding the decimals, so I want to line up the decimals. I'm going to tack on a 0. 5, 7, 7. Same thing. I'm going to line up my decimals. Can I take 5 from 0?
No.
So I'm going to borrow from the 5 to give that a 10. Can I take 7 from 4? So I'm going to borrow from that to give that a 10. Can I take 7 from 1? So I'm going to borrow from the 2. 11 minus 7 is 4. 1 minus 0 is 1. And then I can turn this back into a mixed number, and boom. Any questions? All right. Then I'm going to go ahead and let y'all loose on your last assignment. Remember, as soon as you are done, you get a free 100 in the grade book if you are done with all of them, and you get another times 10 ticket. So you'll get one if you have everything done up to this point. That means all the way through day 12. You'll get another one if you're all the way done tomorrow for your day 13. Any questions?